Hello, my name is Dustin Price. I am the founder and lead technician for Price Computer Technologies. Today, I will be talking to you about computer speed. First, let's talk about the CPU. The CPU stands for Central Processing Unit, and also is known as the computer's brain. The speed at which this unit can process information greatly affects the computer's overall performance. This measurement is normally expressed in gigahertz per second. Newer processors that are produced today also have multiple cores, meaning generally you can times the speed by the core to get the effective processing power. Next, we're going to talk about memory, which is also known as RAM. Random access memory is normally measured in gigabytes. This device stores information temporarily for the CPU to process. Many consumers are aware of the CPU speed, memory size, and hard drive size. These specifications are normally found on the outside of the computer's packaging. Unfortunately, memory's speed is equally as important as its size, and is not always placed on the outside of the packaging. Let us talk about how these devices communicate with each other. They are all mounted on a motherboard. The motherboard includes a chipset that allow communication between the devices. The first of which we will be talking about, the North Bridge. The North Bridge controls communication between major components inside your computer, to include the CPU and memory. The speed that these devices communicate with the North Bridge is very important. This is also called the bus speed. The most important bus in your computer is your front side bus. This connects your CPU with the rest of your computer. If your motherboard is not high-end, the bus speeds will be slow. This will bottleneck the communication between the devices, which ultimately slows the computer's performance. The memory bus is next in importance. This bus connects your memory with the North Bridge, and ultimately with your CPU. Like I said before, the CPU needs to talk to the memory to process the information your computer is handling. Next, I will talk about your PCI cards. These cards normally operate your video card, your network card, or any other input-output devices you may have connected to your computer. These cards are controlled by a switch, in which the switch is connected with a bus to the North Bridge. The South Bridge is connected to the North Bridge. The buses on your motherboard need to be of high quality so that they do not bottleneck the communication between the devices. The South Bridge also controls input-output devices. But more importantly, it controls the hard drive. Communication between your hard drive through the South Bridge, North Bridge, and to your CPU and memory are very important. The bus speed is set by the motherboard manufacturer. Higher-end motherboards have higher bus speeds. The problem normally lies within cheap, mass-produced, and pre-built computers. They have low-quality motherboards installed, which greatly affect the overall performance of the computer. Let us next talk about the hard drive. The hard drive stores all your programs your computer needs to load to access and process information. Unfortunately, your hard drive is probably the slowest device in your computer. It is mechanical in nature and has a platter that spins. An arm that reads and writes the data off the platter allows for the drive to only operate and transfer data at certain speeds. A normal transfer rate for the hard drives that are produced today is around 80 megabytes per second. Along with the transfer rate, there's also seek times. That means how long the drive takes to move the arm to the data it needs to read. In lower-end hard drives, this time can be longer, degrading the performance of the system completely. These slower hard drives normally come with the pre-built computers. The speed at which your hard drive transfers data through your south bridge to your north bridge and to your CPU and memory affects how fast programs load and process on your computer. The good news is you can increase the data transfer rate by adding an additional hard drive in a RAID 0 configuration. This feature is only found on high-end computer systems. The fact that this performance upgrade is available is largely unknown by the consumer. I am happy to inform you that every system built here at Price Computer Technologies is of the highest quality, which in turn produces the highest performance available. We have all heard the saying that computers become outdated within a year of purchasing one, which is sadly the truth when buying a mass-produced pre-built computer. But this is not our only option. A quality custom computer is put together with top-shelf components, and when compared to a similar system built by a large manufacturer in which their assembly begins with bulk, low-cost components, the price savings are staggering. The custom computer always offers a better system for almost half the price. You can contact me today for your quote on your new custom-built computer by Price Computer Technologies. I thank you for listening today, and as always, if you want professional service at an honest price, Price Computer Technologies is here to serve you.